Hi, today we're going to go through how to use auto replies in texting base to screen candidates. The first thing you'll notice on the page, the emojis are over to the right, your auto replies, and I have a few that are auto populated are here. Up at the top, the very first one is a default auto reply. You can use it as a tree, almost like a dial by name, sales and service, or you could say out of office or I'm on the road. And then pause it or unpause it. That will go out to everybody regardless of keywords. What we're going to focus on today is how to go through the keyword aspect of it. So you'll see the title of it up at the top, and then you have your keywords. You can put it in many keywords and phrases separated by commas. You'll see contains, starts with, or exact match. So an exact match, it has to be including everything exactly the way it is. You can also have attachments in there. Contains opens up the bucket quite a bit. So with contains, just be careful you don't use a Y or an N because then anything with a Y or an N will come in. In this example here, you'll see the actual word that's going to trigger out in all capitals to kick out the next response. So what you're doing is you actually have the word name kicking off a response. The keyword is name, and then down below is the actual response you want to kick out if somebody writes name. The next keyword is next in this chain. So next will go out and kick out the next message in the chain. So here's the message that will go out if somebody types next. At this point, we switch it to 1 for yes, 2 for no. So now you have 1 and 2 that both kick out the same message in this case. It could be 2 different messages. 3 or 4 kicks out another message, and again, it could be 2 different messages. You can set up as many of these trees as you want. When you save them, they're going to go into a alphabetical order, so it really doesn't matter what order they're in. They'll only go out once every 24 hours if people have already received them, so you don't have to worry about somebody getting the same message over and over again. In this particular example, we went to 7 and 8, and the 7 and 8 is a thank you for responding. We'll take a look and get back to you. So here's an example of how to create a brand new one. We'll just call this admin as position. I'll type in keywords admin, administrator, and then I'm going to misspell it. So you can write in your misspellings. Now you may want to automatically root out people that can't spell administrator for an administrator position, but texting, a lot of times people will misspell it. So I'm going to put in a couple misspellings and then say thanks for applying for administrator position. We'll get back to you. And you can, of course, attach links into this. So if you want people to fill out a more complete application, assuming they've reached out for this position, and you can even put in geography. So in this place, I'll put in admin Utah. So Utah will also kick out this admin position as well. So I'll write in what I want to respond if somebody writes in admin, administrator, misspells it, or Utah. And then at the end of it, when I have everything written the way that I want it to be written, if I have a link, I can add it. I'll just click save, and that is a live auto response. If somebody texts into your texting base number with that keyword, that's what goes out to them. So it's really easy. Hope you guys have fun with it. And if you have any questions, let me know.